So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. And today's video I'm gonna talk about how we can create that kind of melting mayo effect using the blender. So without any further delay, now let's get started the tutorial. You always have like curiosity how we can add the mayo, how we can add the chocolate, how we can add the anything into top of our product. Like on my screen you are seeing right now, we have a burger, and on the top surface of burger we have a mayo, and I have just placed it very nicely. So if we will do manually by using the blender fluid systems, it will take lots of time for doing baking, processing, rendering, lots of things. But in this video I'm going to show you one trick. Only single click you can create this kind of mayo melting effect, anything you want basically. Okay, so without any further delay, now let's get started the tutorial, and make sure also watch this tutorial till end. So first of all, what I'm going to do basically, I'm just going to switch into my another scene. Here you can see this is my another scene where I have like created something like that. So what I did exactly and what I did, I'm going to show you each and everything. Here you can see it's looking nice. So first of all, I'm just going to delete this. Okay, here we go, guys. This is magic. So basically I'm using one add-on. It's called basically Fluid Painter, and you can download this Fluid Painter from the Blender Market. That is like cost of around $7, which is not a huge amount, because in this add-on you can do lots of things, and I have purchased this because I like it. Now I'm gonna show you how you can use it basically. So inside this add-on, basically if you just go to your asset browser, you will get all the like what you can say pre-made shaders and liquid for you. You can just use it from here, and also you can use some food item like biscuits, chocolate brown, chocolate white, donut, glans plus honey, everything. So right now I've used the mayo. So now I'm just gonna show you how you can use this basically. So what you have to do, you have to just select your object where you want to add the fluid. Then you have to like from here you have to select the category, which category you want to like use it. So right now my category is food, that is true, but I have to change the fluid as a biscuit to the mayo. You can add anything else also. I will also show you how you can add the honey. So right now I'm just using the mayo, and apart from that you don't need to do anything. You have to just click on this button, little icon, it's called add fluid. I'm just going to click add fluid, and I'll just go to my top view, something like that, and I'm just going to draw it whatever kind of fluid I want. So I'm going to just draw it something like that. Awesome. So right now you can see we don't have much thickness into our mayo, but don't worry, you can edit it later or before as well. It's totally up to you. Right now I'm just going to increase the scale of my mayo. Yeah, awesome. And we can also increase the smoothness according to our desire, and also the subdivisions. So if you want to increase it, so here you can see that's so awesome. You can decrease the scale because yeah. So now here you can see, guys, we have a perfect mayo on top of our burger, and it is won't take a single minute basically. Okay, because if we will do the manually now, so we have to do baking, fluid, everything you have to do it, and it's take lots of time. I'm going to show you also like what you can add also. I'm just going to delete this one again. I'll just change the what you can see shader. This is the honey plus. I'm just going to make top view and add fluid. Right now I'm just going to increase the width little bit. Yes, the honey. Yeah, something like that. Awesome, guys. This is awesome. I like this add-on. I love this add-on basically. It is taking a little bit time for compiling the shader basically. If you want fast, so you can just do it. Just you have to just go to edit preference, and you can just do some settings. I'm just gonna scale it a little bit. Oh my god, this is super awesome by the way. And now here we go, guys. This is look awesome, and you will also get the material, like pre-made material for that. So this is something which is we are looking since from the I don't know which how many years basically, but now this is cool. If you have a still object, you need some like organic feel on it, so you can use this add-on. This is like awesome. You can add the chocolate as well. I'm going to show you if you will add the chocolate how it look like basically. So I'm just gonna have the chocolate. This is the chocolate brown. I'm just gonna try chocolate brown on top of this burger. That is little weird combination, but who cares? Nobody cares. I'm just gonna eat it. Oh my god, it is looking little creepy, but it's okay, guys. I'm sorry. Please do not kill me. Oh my god, this is look creepy, but it's okay. I'm just giving you example, and after adding some lights and everything, it's really look real, super realistic basically. So don't worry about the shaders and all everything. It is working very nicely. Now you can add anything, whatever you want to add it, and in the next video, I'll definitely tell you how you can animate all those things, so which is look more realistic also. If you want the second part of this, make sure you just comment down below and tell me basically, and definitely I will definitely make the second part of this video where I will teach you how you can animate like these fruit in a like, very organic way. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something new today. So thanks for watching the video, guys. If you learned something from this video, please hit the like button and the share button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have any queries or suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. I'll definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care, stay home, guys.